I'm Rivka Rose. I'm the founder of Faith in Nature. My background is in herbalism, aromatherapy, and nutrition. And it was because of this background, because of this love that I've always had of nature, that I started Faith in Nature. And the reason I started way back in the early 70s is exactly the same reason why we are in business today. When I first looked at the market, I couldn't relate to any products, and I certainly couldn't use any. Because of my background, I thought, okay, with the knowledge I have, I know that I can combine the best natural vegetable oils with the most beneficial plants that will help people. That was the reason why this company was started. There's no point in being in business if you're not going to help people.
So we make a broad range of health and beauty products, so products for the hair, skin, products for the home. We even make them for dogs, 99% natural origin, vegan, cruelty-free, just amazing fragrances that are natural and make you feel more connected to the natural world. About 30% of the business is in bulk, so in refill formats. We've also got zero waste products as well. We talk to a large group of different people, but what really defines them, it's a mindset rather than specifically looking at a demographic. It's about how they look at things, what their relationship is like with the natural world. You know, our audience is growing. I'd say we're a social first, digitally native brand. There's a huge amount of trust. And we know that, again, once people find us and know about Faith in Nature, they love us. Our loyalty is really high, so our returning customer rate's over 40%. We're super proud of that. And I think people feel deep down that we're on their side, and that's what comes across. We're stocked in a really broad range of shops. We also have our own direct-to-consumer website, and you can find us in the US at Walmart, and we're about to launch into Amazon US. France is our biggest market within Europe. So that's Monoprix, Auchan, and Carrefour.
Our name literally means absolute trust and confidence in nature. Rivka called the company Faith in Nature because she's an absolute trust and confidence in natural products and natural ingredients. And today it also means that we have faith in nature to help us make better, more informed decisions that take the natural world into account. In August 22, we became the first company in the world to make nature a director, giving the natural world a voice and a vote on all the decisions that we make. So you're not just looking at a successful company commercially, you're also looking at a company at the forefront of the legal rights of nature movement. And that idea is really starting to gain traction now. It's been seen by 750 million people around the world. It's gained international headlines. And we're really beginning to reimagine the way the world can do business. It's a massively exciting time to be at Faith in Nature, and it's a massively exciting time to be part of this conversation, one that we're all so passionate about, and one that our audience is so passionate about.
Last year, we reduced the energy required in our manufacturing process by 47%, which is huge. And we've got plans to reduce it further by another 20% in the next 18 months or so. We plant a tree with Tree Sisters for every order through the website. We've got a great partnership with World Land Trust, who we offset our scopes 1 and 2 footprint with. We're part of their carbon balance programme. We're also working on our scope 3 calculations, and as soon as we have those, we'll be setting science-based targets for our path to net zero. We're working really hard to reduce our plastic footprint, and we're introducing more and more recycled materials into our packaging every day. It's really, really hard to become a B Corp if you're a manufacturing business, so I am delighted to announce that we are now a certified B Corp. Although I'm the Sustainability Director at Faith in Nature, it really doesn't just stop with me. And we have this question, hey, what would nature say? And it really does get asked from the factory floor to the boardroom. And every time I hear it, it just makes my day.
Back in the early 70s, it was hugely exciting to start the company. And now, in 2023, it's also hugely exciting to be part of this company because we are evolving, we are noticing what's really important. Not only what's important commercially, but what's important for our vision. And that's why we're inviting you to join us in this mission by investing in the company that I so dearly love, so we can make it easy for even more people to make better choices for themselves and the planet every day.